Welcome to GARIMA Overseas Limited. Let me introduce myself as Ramakrishna, Director of this company. We have started a greenfield project with a state-of-art manufacturing facility to produce grey and ductile iron castings. With an investment of almost about 50 crores, this plant is equipped with a Dieselmatic 2013 MK4 machine and a fully automated system and induction furnaces. The Dieselmatic is one of the world's most modern technologies. The machine has a cake size of 600 by 480 by 330 millimeters and is a flaskless molding machine. Sand is compressed with high pressure and the cakes are formed. The cakes come out onto an automatic molding conveyor where, through the help of a pouring furnace, the mold is then conveyed into a synchronized belt conveyor, and this 18 meter plus 22 meters allows the casting to solidify by the time it comes to the end of the synchronized belt conveyor. The casting is then knocked off with the help of vibratory feeders, and the sand is then transported through belt conveyors, magnetic separators, polygonal screen, then onto the silo of the sand plant. The sand plant has an eye-rich intensive mixer, collects the sand from the silos. The eye-rich intensive mixer mixes the sand with the required sand properties and delivers it back into the Dieselmatic molding machine. Thus, the entire system gets completed and the cycle is over. The entire plant is controlled through a PLC control system, and all indications are available in the control room. The plant is fully secured and all faults and diagnosis can be made in the control room. The induction furnace has a melting capacity of 3 tons and delivers the required material, whether grey iron or ductile iron, as needed, and is tapped at temperatures as so required. Molten metal is then transferred onto the pouring furnace, which pours the material into the molds. The pouring furnace being used in this company is a Junker pouring furnace and is a press pour. Depending on the size of the cake, the casting which is required, the press pour automatically pours only that amount of material which is required for the castings. Needless to say, all the controls from the input to the output stage are controlled in our laboratory, which is fully equipped with all modern equipments. The castings are then sent to the shot blasting section, from where, after blasting, after fettling, after grinding, they can be sent straight either to the customer, or if it requires machining, it goes to the CNC shop. The CNC shop will turn components to required dimensions, to the requirements of the customer, and will satisfy all conditions so required by the customer. We in our company are very focused on quality, deliveries, and also to cost competitiveness. The products that we propose to undertake are basically automotive castings, ranging from a kg up to 65 kgs. The entire plant is equipped with its own facility for power backup and takes all measures to ensure safe environmental norms, pollution controls, and you can see in the factory the amount of green belt that we have left, which indicates our commitment to the environment.